mayivuleke, iminyango yempumelelo mayivuleke, iminyango yebhizinisi elisha mayivuleke, iminyango yepromotion mayivuleke egameni likaJesu. Whatsoever door oyidingayo lawa aplaye khona noma ungaqualify, but may Jehovah remember you. Nalizwi alikhulumile lizokhuluma nesimo sakho. You don't qualify for anything. You don't qualify for a loan. You don't qualify for a bursary. You don't qualify for a house. You don't qualify for a car. You don't qualify for clothing. You don't qualify for anything. Go to Kulu. Qualify. Amen. Qualify. May the Spirit of the Lord esihamba phambi kwakho siwenze uqualify. Nalawe don't qualify khona egameni likaJesu. Whatsoever ebingavalile ukuthi uphumeleliswe kube khona abakhulayo nabanye abakufaka bathi bazokusiza kodwa namhlanje bakhohliwe. May your help come from another source. May your help come from another source. May your deliverance come from another source. Umusathane evala ngapha usimakade akavule ngapha. Umusathane evala ngapha uJehova akavule ngapha. Every door shut before the church egameni likaJesu sikhuluma ukuvuleka kweminyango egameni likaJesu. Whosoever is supposed to help us omude, may the Lord touch those lives abazosiza ibandla lakhe egameni likaJesu. Usizo luzoqhamuka, wena uzofunda, wena uzosebenza, wena uzoshada, wena uzotravela, wena uzoya overseas, wena icebo likaNkulunkulu benesikhona ukuthi uphelele lapha. Ukhona uzosayina. You are about to travel. Kodwa lalelizwi, he makes all things beautiful at his own time. May your life shine and be beautiful and attract favor. Favor with men, favor with God, favor sending.